Hello, welcome to our channel Shantoi Teaching. Today I have come here with the new topic. So you know already, I think that you know already what is the structure of present continuous tense. So present continuous structure is subject, helping verbs plus V1 plus ing plus object. So if you use these structure, you can make sentences in present continuous tense. So what I am going to say you that, so there are so many verbs, but some words are there, we should not use those verbs in present continuous tense. Those verbs are like, prefer, hate, love, know, mean, understand, believe, remember, forget, and last one, depend. So if you are going to use these verbs, you should not use these verbs in present continuous tense. So we use those verbs in simple present tense only. So I can give some examples. I am tired. I am tired. I want to go home now. I am tired. I want to go home now. Not I am wanting to go now. Go home now. Okay. Not I am wanting to go home now. So if we use I am wanting in present continuous tense, that is totally wrong. We should say I want to go home now. I want to go home. And then I will give another example. Do you know that girl? Do you know that girl? So we can say the answer yes, but I don't remember her name. But I don't remember her name. So I use there no. So you should not use are you knowing that girl? Are you knowing that girl? This sentence, if you use this sentence, it is totally wrong. So we should ask, do you know that girl? And also I said the answer for this question. Yes, but I don't remember her name. So I used there remember the word V1, the verb V1, but it is in simple present tense but not in present continuous tense. So if you use I am not remembering her name, that is wrong sentence. We should, that's why I told you we should not use those verbs. What I said already, we should not use those verbs in present continuous tense. So just we ask, just we say I don't remember her name, not remembering. I hope that you understand this topic. So whenever you are going to use those verbs, you should not use, keep it in your mind, you should not use those verbs in present continuous tense. I hope that you understand. Thank you. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video. Bye. Take care.